Welcome to this video. Really glad to have you here. I've got a good one for you, and this one is going to show you how to rank anything. So I've made that sound really normal, but you'll know it's not. A lot of people have trouble ranking businesses, affiliate sites. I'm going to show you how you can rank anything. Obviously it's not guaranteed, but it's pretty much close to it. I'm going to show you a prompt with ChatGPT that you can use to go through any piece of content and make sure that it's properly SEO optimized. That's not all I'm going to do. I'm actually going to show you what to include in the content that will make the biggest difference, and it's something that people miss. Even if they get all of the SEO correct, they normally miss this one part, and it means that they're going to get outranked or they're not going to rank at all. So I'm excited to show you. Do stay tuned to be able to see that, and it will really help you get more traffic from SEO. So before we get into it, do subscribe. I'd really appreciate to have you sticking around, especially if you're interested in building AI income streams. You're going to love this channel. If you want extra help, or if you want to do this together, do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. I've set up a 4-week coaching program, and what it is in a nutshell is building a profitable niche site and a funnel with ClickBank step by step. We do it together to make sure that you get sales and you get results, and all of this stuff piece by piece on YouTube is great, but if you want to go through completely step by step and be able to get up and running, and we're using AI as well, and actually get results, do get access to the coaching. It's in the link in the description. Okay, so let's get on with the how to rank anything. Here we go. So the things you'll need to be able to rank anything is ChatGPT. You can use other AIs, other GPTs. I'm just using ChatGPT. You'll also need a piece of content that's well written. Okay, so the content that you use to optimize obviously needs to be well written before. So this is focused on the SEO element to be able to rank it. So assuming you've got a piece of content that's well written, and you've got ChatGPT, here we go. This is quite a monster prompt. So what you want to do is pause the screen if you want to use this. Here we go. Please analyze and fully optimize the following content for SEO, aiming to rank it highly in search engine results. I want you to evaluate every aspect, including keyword usage, structure, readability, and relevance. Provide specific actionable suggestions for improvements and additions that align with Google's latest ranking guidelines. Here's what I need. Keyword optimization and integration. Identify the primary keywords, secondary keywords, and related keywords that all enhance relevance. Suggest any additional keywords that should be incorporated to increase visibility. Content structure and flow. Break down the content into optimized structure that includes clear, concise headings, header 1, header 2, header 3, and so on. You can see here, I won't read the whole thing. I'm going to come back to this in 1 second. User experience and engagement elements. Suggest ways to improve readability, such as using shorter sentences, bullet points, and avoiding jargon. Include ways to enhance engagement, like adding internal links to related articles, interactive elements, or call to actions. Technical SEO elements, meta descriptions, meta titles. Ensure they're all within the Google character limits. Analyze image alt text, anchor text. You've also got EAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, and this is how to add this in. Continuous optimization suggestions. Okay, and please include your SEO recommendations step by step. Now I just want to point out one thing on here. So here's the prompt starting from here. Okay, big prompt. This is one key element that you'll definitely want to add into your content, above the fold content. What that means is before anyone scrolls, you want to make sure that your content's optimized to appeal to them based on the keyword that you're trying to get ranked for. So Craft a compelling introduction and content above the fold that grabs attention and encourages readers to continue. This should include a concise summary or snippet answering the primary search query, as well as any stats, visuals or bulleted lists. This is something that most people miss, and the way Google works is it wants to give people the answers that they need as quickly as possible. If you focus on optimizing the above the fold content, even before they go through your content, you're going to get far better results. So that's the big prompt, and then what I've done is I've pasted in a content piece on orthopedic dog beds for a review site. So you can see from here, Bedshaw, which is for a product review, I've pasted that in. So all of that is just unformatted and pasted in for ChatGPT to SEO. Check this out. So the next thing that ChatGPT does is go right through the whole thing. Step 1, keyword optimization and integration, and tells me and gives suggestions on what to add. Content structure and flow. Okay? What you want to do now is go through these steps and double check them. Double check that they're all okay. Do them step 1, step 2 as it's outlaid here. So if I was going through it, primary keyword, if this is the wrong primary keyword, make a note of it and you can change it, and I'll show you when. So primary keyword, secondary, and so on. You've got the keywords we're targeting, you've got the content structure and flow recommended, but we can change this. Okay, so I could say we'll take that out or change these around, or and so on, add in different subheadings. Step 3, above the fold content. So this is what I was talking about, create a concise, engaging summary, and so on. Step 4, user experience and engagement elements, call to actions. Step 5, the meta title, meta description, image, alt text. Step 6, the EAT, Google EAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness and trustworthiness, and it's given me ways to actually do that and add that into the content piece. And then step 7 is continuous optimization suggestions. Now what you want to do is go through each of those steps where the content's concerned, make sure that it all looks correct, see whether you want anything changing. Then the prompt that you would use is implement the above steps, but make sure that you use the following details. So for step 1, change the keywords to this. Step 2, change the intro paragraph to this step, and so on. Okay, so you can obviously edit that. For the purposes of this video, to show you it done, you just type in implement the above steps for me in the content I provided, and check this out. So it's taken that dog bed, and now we've got orthopedic dog bed review, a cozy solution. We've got above the fold content here. Why choose an orthopedic dog bed for your pet? We've got keywords that are highlighted here. We've got the subheadings added in. We've got key features and benefits there with subheadings and bullet lists to make it easy to read. We have got real customer feedback, pros and cons. We have got orthopedic dog bed versus the competitors. We've got frequently asked questions. We've got who is it best suited for, and we've got final verdict, and we've got the technical SEO elements, enhancements and continuous optimization. So if you do that, quite simply you are changing ChatGPT into an expert SEO. You obviously need to know SEO to verify some of the stuff it's doing, but as a really basic guide for you, if you run your content through like that, make sure that it's good content, make sure that you're going through each of those steps and adjusting anything that you need to, but you will be able to hit all of the tick boxes quickly and easily and create optimized content pieces that will rank. So I hope you enjoyed it. That's exactly how to do it. Go and try that prompt out. Do check out the coaching in the description below if you're interested in help building a site that will actually rank and a funnel that will actually work and make sales. And subscribe and like this video. I'd really appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.